All right, you are welcome to another edition of do-it-yourself videos. This time around, I want to teach us how to navigate the e-ticket site, which we call the support site in National Open University. This support site is actually there for you, just like a place you can walk to when you have different type of complaint to lay regarding your academics in Noun. Can do a whole lot of things. But the major reason why I want to do this video is to show you how to activate your school email in case you try to log in on Google, you are receiving um, email not found error. So how do we activate it? Let me show us this issue of email not found. If you try to log in and you are receiving something like this, assuming I want to log in on my school email now, I'm a new student or a current student, and I'm trying to log in on my school email. And after typing everything correctly, .non.edu.ng, I receive something like this that says, okay, let me try to log in now. If I receive something like, couldn't find your Google account, there are two things involved. If you are a new student, it means your email has not been activated, which means you wait for some more hours because now it's automated. Or if it's delaying too much, then there's another option. That is where I want to take you to now, how to resolve this issue. If you're a current student too, it means that your email has not been activated, maybe through omission or something. So the next thing to do is go to this site, which is we have support.nou.edu.ng. Now, when you're on this site, your aim is to open a ticket to request for an activation of your school email. This is the notification. Just scroll down and click on close. Now, this is how the support site looks like. When you come here, this is the page for opening a ticket, a fresh ticket. This is what you will see. But you see that we have other options there like my tickets and then frequently asked questions. But that's not our concern here. You can even log in. Look at login here, but not now. What you are here to do is to open a ticket on activating your school email. For instance, let me say NOU 2211533197 or so. And let me use one phone number to say maybe zero. Which phone number? Okay, let me just try down my phone number. 9163490176. So you enter a valid phone number. This phone number, you have to enter a correct phone number because this is the phone number they'll be using for sending any code to that email the moment they activate it. So the phone number will be tied to this email, to this your school email. Once it is activated, if Google want to verify whether you are the one trying to sign in, that phone number you provide here will be used for such matters. So you have to provide the correct phone number. Once the matric number you enter is correct, you will see it will tick here that the matric number form is correct. Also, the number of phone number, if it's correct, it will tick it. Now, we have category, which is the next thing. Under the category, you can see several things you can do here. Academic registry, business creation and growth, like those doing GST 302, 300 level students. If you have issue, you come here. E-learn portal, I have paid school fees. I've done my course and exam registration, and I check my e-learn portal, and I'm seeing just 2 courses out of 10 courses that I've registered. You just click on e-learn portal, subcategory, courses not found on e-learn. courses not on e-learn. Once you click on this, you are done with the selection. Now, this is a box where you are to express yourself briefly and go straight to the point. Because science, when you are trying to explain yourself, no need for story. Just go straight to the point. This is what is happening. I'm unable to, or I've done all necessary registrations on my student portal, and the courses are not reflecting on my e-learn portal. Please kindly help me resolve this. And that is enough. You don't need to blow grammar, just express yourself freely. So that is for courses not found on e-learn. You can see other things you can do on e-learn. I'm unable to log in. Use this. Maybe you're a new student and you'll be waiting for your first time login details for a long time. You can use this. Project moderation issues. These are things you can do. Your seminar, probably they did not upload your seminar, your practical, your teaching practice courses, all those stuff. Or discussion forum issue. Your own discussion forum is not opening for a particular course. You do it here. That is for e-learn portal. So each of the portals and activities we have in the school are listed here. You are just to choose the one that looks like what you are looking for or what you came here to complain about. But for this video, let's focus on activating my school email or resetting my school email. Now, I will choose email and courseware. Under subcategory, this student non-email issue is for students who have forgotten their password and want to reset it. They've tried the normal reset on Google and it's not working. It's showing them contact IT admin or so. So you can come here, student non-email issue. For no email address, this one is for those students that I showed us earlier that is showing couldn't find your Google account. So if you fall under that category, your subcategory will be no email address. So you now express yourself in the message box, maybe hello support. I am finding it difficult to sign in my school email. Kindly assist in activating the email. Thank you. You don't need to blow grammar, as simple as this. Once you've done this, you submit, you send. Now, if what you are here to do is something that is like, for instance, that of your course is not showing on e-learn, you might want to show them your course registration slip for evidence. So you upload it here. You click on this. If you click on this, it's going to show you your phone inbox and all those stuff, your phone memory rather, and you can select where the document is and upload. You can upload PDF, image, or PDF or image, anyone. So once you upload, you click on send. Once you click on send, this is what will happen. It's going to show you ticket has been successfully created, and then you will receive a message on that phone number that will notify you that your ticket has been successfully created. I think the portal is actually under some duress now, so it's not showing successfully created, but you have to see that notification that shows that your ticket has been successfully created. So the next thing is you've created the ticket. How do you locate the ticket? Probably after creating the ticket, you've forgotten and you just close the site. Now, how do you go back to locate the ticket that you've created in order to know when they've responded to it? And although you receive a notification on that same phone number when it has been responded to, but what if you want to check manually and to see the response? What to do is go to support site again, but this time around, instead of clicking on new ticket, let's wait for it to pop up. The site is really going to a lot this time around. So that's why we're having a whole lot of delays. should I just go to the site directly and see what we get? If that will be better. So let's hold on for it. I don't even know if it's my own network or is the site. Okay. So once you are back here, your concern is no longer to create a new ticket, is to check your ticket. So you click on My Ticket. When I click on my ticket, you see that the interface is now changed to another thing. This is asking me for matric number and phone number. What they're asking is that the matric number you used in creating the ticket, plus the phone number you put while creating the ticket. Both the matric number and the phone number I used while creating the ticket, once I put them correctly and I send, it's going to show me every ticket I have opened under this phone number and even under my matric number. I just pray that the network will allow us to see that. So if you put the wrong phone number, it's going to show you that the there is no record found for that combination of the matric number and the phone number. So it has to be the correct phone number you used while creating the ticket. This will open the ticket now, but not that ticket alone, but every ticket I've ever opened under this my matric number. So I can select the one I'm concerned about that I want to check the status. So that is how this works, and this is how to activate your school email or reset your school email on e-ticketing site. Thank you for watching. Share it, please.